Good morning guys, in front of me is CUBOT Quest and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select Accounts and mark Add Account. Now select Google and enter your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. And then tap on Next. Now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, click on Next. Here you can go for Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with everything, tap on I agree. Tap on More and accept then. Well, and that should be all. I don't know why we are redirected to main. Okay, it's just some issue. However, as you can see, the account has been already added. So here it is. Once you want to remove this account, just mark Remove Account. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.